Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about headings, part of web technologies course. In HTML, headings are used to create different levels of titles or subheadings on a web page. They are represented by H1, H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6 tags. The number in the tag represents the level of heading, with H1 being the highest level and H6 being the lowest. For example, the following code creates a web page with three headings. The first heading is an H1 heading and it is displayed in the largest font size. It says main heading. The second heading is an H2 heading and it is displayed in a slightly smaller font size. It says subheading. The third heading is an H3 heading and it is displayed in an even smaller font size. It says subheading. The paragraphs are displayed below each heading. It is important to note that the headings should be in a hierarchical fashion, starting with the H1 heading, followed by H2 heading and so on. This is important for accessibility and search engine optimization as it allows users and search engines to easily understand the structure of the content on your web page. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.